What's up YouTube gang? So here's a little job that I'm doing. So Vauxhall Zafira 2012 plate. Customer's had his engine replaced, but look at the state of this oil here. Flipping terrible. Let me turn my light on there so you can see that a bit more. Look at the sludge in there, man. And the rocker cover gasket was done just a year ago. Now look what they've done, right? They've literally put loads of paste around the edges. And this is the old gasket. Literally, listen to it. Rock hard gasket. Now, I'm going to be replacing this and sealing it up properly with this part here. No cutting corners. And then look at this. That should not have built up over a year. And the guy changes his oil regularly, so clearly if they had this off, they didn't bother cleaning it. So what type of, come on guys, giving mechanics a bad name, man. Look how, look, just breaking. That's how old this gasket is. It has never been replaced. Like honestly, that's supposed to be rubber. It's become rock hard. Anyway, I'm gonna continue, box it up, and then yeah, go from there. But I'd just like to show you this. Please guys, do a good job if you're an actual mechanic and not a cowboy. You know, like seriously, look at the state of this. I mean, like another broken piece. Anyways, replacing the rocker cover gasket on a Vauxhall Zafira 1.6 engine. Quite simple. Just replace or remove the bolts across the side there, and just take it off. And there's one bolt in the middle there, so it's not very difficult. Obviously, just disconnect the loom and make some space for yourself, however and wherever you need to. But just make sure you put back everything the way it goes. I took off the timing cover just to have a look at the belt for the customer. So yeah, you don't need to remove none of that. It's just those bolts around the side and the top, and that's it. And obviously you take the core pack out before everything. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. It's a little rant about bad mechanics. Please like and subscribe, and don't do this.